All right, I have a question for you, concrete experts out there. We finished the courtyard and we did a soft cut, but where the sun comes down, it goes right along there. We started saw cut over here, but when we got over here, it did this. All these footprints, the tracks from the tires on the soft cut machine. Yeah, it's awful. You guys, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think, how to fix it.